Hello, this is David at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. I'm on a used boat, a 2022 Harris 250 Solstice. This boat is a one-owner boat that was traded in at Lake Hopatcong. Very well maintained, very well kept. You can see the Solstice has the extra decorative bars, the docking lights, the flip-up cleats, large area in the front, two-tone interior. We have a power Bimini top above our head. We have dual captain's chairs inside here, a single lounger on the back of the boat, dual screens, and a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado, digital throttle, digital shift. I'm going to back it around here so you can see the back of the boat. Approximately 160 hours are on this boat. Being a used boat from MarineMax, it will come fully detailed, inspected, gone through, Coast Guard kit, lines, fenders, and of course captain's orientation. You also notice the stainless steel ladder on the back of the boat, the stainless steel safety rails, which allows you to have a passengers riding on that rear seat while underway. Other noticeable features are the in-floor storage, the raised helm, the upgraded sound system, the change house, cup holders and charge ports in every seat. This boat is available at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. We offer financing and insurance quotes. Come on down to MarineMax and take a look.